Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about parboiling process of rice. Rice is one of the main staple food of the world including India. Parboiled rice is a kind of processed rice and it is produced in some countries of Asia, principally India. According to research reported by Kairitsi, Zia and Karathonos, parboiled white rice is 80% nutritionally similar to brown rice. Generally, the parboiling process consists of 5 different operations such as soaking, steaming, drying, husking and milling etc. The parboiling process consists of 3 main stages. First stage consists of soaking the clean raw rice to saturation moisture content. The second stage consists of gelatinization of rice starch by adding heat to the moist kernels through steaming. And third stage consists of drying the product to a moisture content suitable for milling or storage. The processing steps followed in parboiling paddy rice vary considerably among practitioners based on the locality and culture of the people concerned. Several traditional and improved methods of parboiling exist in the world. Parboiling rice makes it easier to remove the husk of the rice before eating it. The process also improves the texture of the rice, making it fluffier and less sticky when you cook it than regular white rice. The major objectives of parboiling of paddy rice are to improve quality of the rice, to increase the total and head yield of the paddy, to prevent the loss of nutrients during milling, to increase the milling recovery, to strengthen the kernel integrity, to prevent the loss of nutrients occurred during the milling, and to prepare the rice according to the requirements of the customer. This parboiling process is practiced in many parts of the world including India, Thailand, Myanmar, Malaysia, Switzerland, Spain, Italy, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Guyana, South Africa, Bangladesh and France etc. The survey reported by researchers Amdo, Demuyakor, Dogbe and Owusu shows that the process of parboiling has been categorized into 3 forms. First is traditional method, second is modern method and third is improved method. In traditional method, the paddy is not cleaned before soaking and farmers use a simple tools like earthen or metal cooking pots. In this method, the intensity of heat supply is high. Modern method employs special tools like tanks, electric heaters and steam pipes etc. In this method, the modern instruments are used for soaking, steaming and drying process. And improved method is a combination of traditional and modern methods. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, then please press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon.